Welcome students. This is our part 1 video for class 6 curiosity chapter 5 measurement of length and motion. Please like and subscribe our channel to get regular updates. If you want to see our earlier class 6 curiosity videos, link is provided at the end of the video and also in description box. Kindly go through it and boost your knowledge. Let's start our this video. What is the SI unit of length? And the correct answer is B, meter. Which body part did Diffie use to measure the length of the table? And the correct answer is A, hand span. How many centimeters are there in 1 meter? And the correct answer is C, 100. What is the smallest unit of length that can be measured using a standard 15 centimeter scale? And the correct answer is C, 1 millimeter. What was the traditional Indian unit used by Deepa's mother to measure the length of her uniform? And the correct answer is B, 4 angula. What does ballast refer to? And the correct answer is B, the length of a hand span. What is an example of non-standard unit of measurement? And the correct answer is D, foot length. The slowest moving planet in the solar system show what type of motion? And the correct answer is B, circular motion. What is the unit used to measure large distances such as the distance between cities? And the correct answer is D, kilometer. How should you measure an object if the ends of the scale are broken? And the correct answer is B, start measuring from any clear mark. Which unit is smaller than a centimeter? And the correct correct answer is A. Millimeter. What is the term for a fixed point used to measure a distance? And correct answer is A. Reference point. What type of motion is observed when an object moves along a straight line? And the correct answer is C. Linear motion. What kind of motion does an object have when it moves along a circular path? And the correct answer is C. Circular motion. What kind of motion occurs when an object moves to and fro around a fixed position? And the correct answer is A. Oscillatory motion. What unit is used to measure very small object like the thickness of a sheet of a paper? Answer is C. Millimeter. The motion of a spinning wheel is an example of. Correct answer is B. Rotational motion. In which motion does the position of an object changes with time concerning a reference point? And correct answer is B. Motion. What did Padma use as a reference point to measure her distance from Delhi? And the correct answer is C. The kilometer stone. What is the symbol for kilometer? And the correct answer is D. km. Please note student, the unit should be written in always small letter. In option A, M is capital. In B, only K is written. In option C, both the are in uppercase, and in option D, both are in lowercase. So the correct answer is D, kilometer, km. What is the type of motion seen in the swinging of a pendulum? And the correct answer is oscillatory motion. How can a curved line be measured? And the correct answer is B, using a thread or flexible measuring tape. The standard unit for measuring very large distance, such as the distance between the two cities, is. And the correct answer is B, kilometer. How many millimeters are there in 1 centimeter? And the correct answer is C, 10 millimeter. Question number 25. What kind of motion is seen in the rotation of a ceiling fan? And correct answer is B, circular motion. Thank you students for watching MCQ CBSE. Please like and subscribe our channel to get the regular updates. Thank you.